Okay, so in this um, tutorial, I thought I'll talk about how to give your AI some smartness in Unity. I have Unity 5. So what I have is this sprite right here, and what I want him to do is, well, first thing he does is, as you can see, this green circle. That's his patrol region. So they'll be patrolling in this area. And as you can see, you can shrink or increase this region. The other thing you see here is this front check game object right here. And what this does is, if there's any obstacle in front of the AI, he's going to either go back the other direction or he's going to jump over that obstacle. And the way we achieve that is through this jump here, jump on obstacle. So if this check, he's gonna jump. If it's not check, he's not gonna jump. Um, so what? So let's see him in action first. So I'm gonna hit play, and as you can see, he jumped. Then he checked that. Oh, okay, he's gotta go back. It's gonna go back now. Go back to the other side, and go. So as you saw, so he's just gonna keep going back and forth, just like you have, soldiers on patrol. That's what he's gonna do. Now, if I come in and drag another guy, so I'm gonna bring him here, and what I'll do is I'll say, okay, this guy's not gonna jump. He's just gonna go back as soon as he touches this obstacle. So let's see what happens. So this guy's gonna jump. This guy's gonna boom, flip back. So he didn't jump because he was, you know, you can have some AI that are dumb. So he's one of those. And the way you do this is, as we saw, we have this game object. It's called front check. And in the, so I'm gonna, in the fixed update, where'd you go? Here. So in the fixed update, so we check if you're not dead and all that stuff. We call this method check collider with obstacle. And in that method, I guess this is redundant. We check the what obstacles are in front of the enemy. And the way we do this is we call this overlap circle all, that returns an array of colliders. Where is it situated? The front check dot position, and the sensitivity is just some value you can give it. It's a floating value, so depending on how big the circle is, the radius of the circle. Then we go through each collider, and then we have tagged the colliders. So we check if it's an obstacle, then based on that checkbox that I talked about, you either jump or you patrol. This tag, if I go to my foreground, my raised ground, here it is, obstacle. So that's how you can, if you have more obstacles, you can just put this tag on it, and then the enemy can react accordingly. The other thing they can have is the there's reaction time, how fast I can react when a bullet comes. Can they dodge a bullet? Here's the attack radius, and if I just come in and just uncomment this, so this is the attack radius. So if anything that's within this red circle, they're gonna fire. So just to show you what I mean, if I have my hero coming in and boom, boom, oh, Okay, so if he comes in, so now if I'm within that range, boom, they're gonna fire. Whoa, jump. Go, die, 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 die. Oh, he killed me. He's better than me. So that's how you can define that as well. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment. Have fun.